Merry Christmas. Welcome to the third day of Christmas here on the Pedantry 360 channel. If you haven't already spotted the first two videos that have gone out in this series, I'm doing a series of 12 videos for kind of the 12 days of Christmas, and each one of them is a giveaway, the results of which will all be announced in early January. Now, so far, the first day was a Sonic Model AR wing, and the second day was an antenna kit from Menace RC. Today is a big one. This one is for a ready-to-fly Armatan tadpole. Now, Armatan are one of my favourite frame and model manufacturers, so this is a cracking product. Now, this is going to ship direct from Armatan, so if you would like to be in with a chance to win this, then as usual, like the video, comment, and make sure you're a subscriber to the channel. If you haven't already, hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any of the upcoming videos too. Massive thank you to Armatan for this fantastic prize, and do make sure that you stay tuned to the channel for the remainder of the 12 days of Christmas giveaway videos. Thanks for watching the video and watching right to the very end. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you like the video and like what I'm doing here, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon too. If you really like what I'm doing, you can go the extra mile and become one of my Patreons for access to me directly for support, and also giveaways and regular updates too. If you're looking for particular content, then check out the playlist. I organise all of my videos into playlists, so if you're looking for a particular topic, you can find everything here. If it's called Introduction To, it's designed to start very simply and build on that simple introduction to teach you all about it. If it's called For Beginners, then that is really aimed at people who are brand new to that part of the hobby. You can also search on YouTube for anything that you're interested in using the search function at the top. So iNav Painless 360 will find all of my videos and even the playlists around iNav. So thanks again for watching, and happy flying.